Hey guys, this is Alex for 4C Trading, and today we're actually trading on an exchange called Bbox, right? So for the reason why we're trading on the Bbox exchange, because we are observing, as you can see, Pi USDT, or should I say DeFiPie, one of the most hot coins at the moment, definitely one of the most hottest DeFis, because apparently this coin went from 11 cents or 12 cents all the way up to $1.10 in just like in a week or something like that, right? So you can see quite amazing gains on that coin. So we are now going to see if we can jump in and maybe make a quick 50%, maybe 2x, why not, right? So yes, I am charting again on Bbox. So yes, it is a little bit messed up, and my background is kind of a puke color as well, so it's not the prettiest chart you have ever seen, but it's not too bad either, right? As long as I get to chart on TradingView, right, it is better than most of the thing, right? So let's first make a box. Okay, so the first box located here is quite a logical one, right? So this one is definitely, if the Pi ever returns back in the future down here, we can definitely expect a good reaction from it, right? But due to the fact that most of these coins are so bullish at the moment, most of that most of positions like this are not going to happen, right? Will be avoided. So yes, the stop loss in this manner would be about 11%, and the upside I would be targeting quite high due to the bullishness of these coins, quite high right on top, so which is like 62% gain on the entire coin, right? But that's obviously the thing if that does happen. Definitely Pi has had no break on the way up, right? But now we sort of come to a path where you can kind of say that it's slowing down a little bit, and you can see that for the past 3 days it is staying in the same kind of a corner, right? So right now, observing from this one price action right now, right, is first of all, we would have to go above this, right? And let me just change my color. We would have to go above this to continue with the bullishness. If that does indeed happen before we get filled on this, then I would be pursuing this one a lot more aggressive, right? And in this case, if that happens, I would be looking at the new area, which would be located up here quite aggressively. Now, it also depends how far it's gonna pump. If it's gonna pump to around here, that area is going to be very valuable. But if it pumps to like here or here, you have to move the area up as well, which I don't know at the moment because it obviously hasn't happened yet and I can't predict the future. But let's just say, for example, that area is going to be located around here. And in that case, if area is going to be located around here, we're going to go aggressively with a little bit tighter stop loss than what we have one below, if I'm not mistaken. Again, it's about 10%, and then we will aim for the first profit target, the high that we have created here, which we don't know yet, but we can only, let's just say, assume if the high is going to be here, this is going to be our first profit target, right? And then the second profit target, we will not be having any more second profit targets. What we will actually do is to follow with the stop loss. And how do you follow with the stop loss? When you get structures like this, apparently, right? So until you lose this, you're actually quite bullish on the structures. That would be most of my places where I would put my stop loss, right here, right? If it goes under here, I'm not saying that it's not possible to be bullish anymore. It still is possible, but if it goes under here and hits here, then we have to go back above this, close a couple of days above it, and take profit target here as well, because again, we don't have crystal ball. But if it proves to be right, and then it starts moving from there, you have a pretty good position on which you can build upon on. If it fails to be bullish and, kind of fills you in this position and then kind of TPs you off around here and then starts to failing down a little bit, then we will just go to the next level to the next level until we find the bottom, and that bottom hopefully will take us up as well. So as far as I know, the coins of DeFiPie are being unlocked every month. So yes, when that unlock time does come, it will probably take a little dive, which in this case, I'm going to say it's actually an opportunity to get a feel on a really good trade and something that could, kind of make some really nice upside in the future, right? So yes, I do think that, sometimes unlucky coins is actually a pretty good thing for you to get on a little trade. So yes, this will be pretty much it for today, right? I mean, that would be my first area, and for the second area, if it does happen, we will create another video for it, right? And then we will explain this trade one more time accordingly to that sort of play that will be happening at the moment, right? So yes, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and we'll be seeing each other. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and we will be seeing each other the next time.